Agnes Anderson ate apples at the airport. Benjamin Baxter bought bananas and buttons by the beach. Christine Cunningham's cousin collects classic cars. Donnie Devlin does dishes after dinner. Emily Epstein entered the elevator at 11. Franklin Forrester found 14 feathers at the farm. Gabriella Garito got grapes at the green grocery. Harold Hendrick handed a hammer to his helper. Isabella Ingram is interested in insects. Jamie Johnston jumped over a jelly jar. Kelly Costin keeps her keys in the kitchen. Lori Lexington likes lemon lollipops. Melvin Montrose moved a machine on Monday. Nancy Nelson naps at noon in the Northeast. Oliver Oglethorpe occupies an office on the ocean. Penny Patterson put peppermint and parsley in her pocket. Quincy Quintopoulos asked the Queen of Quails a quick question. Rebecca Reese reads radical rhymes. Samuel Sycamore served seafood for supper on Saturday. Tanya Tackleberry traveled by train to Tremont Terminal. Ursula Underwood usually uses an umbrella. Victor Vargas has a velvet visor. Wanda Waverly works with walruses on the weekends. Xavier Zandor X-rays boxes by the expressway. Yolanda York yelled in the yard yesterday. Zubin Zabar zigzagged at the zoo.